Hello folks, welcome to Udacity YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 free data science courses for absolute free. So make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel, and so let's start. So you will get all the links in description, but before going into description, make sure that you watch the video till end so you can learn that how you have to enroll in this course. So the first website is known as Alison.com, and here you can see that the course is here, introduction to data science. Here you have to you will learn about introduction to data science, that it will start from basics, and you can see you have 3 modules, 30 topics, and its time period is 1.5 to 3 hours. So this course will give you a quick introduction to data science, and here you can see the topic is just you have to click on start topic, and whenever I will click on this and just close this, and you will pop up, and let me close this and remove ads if you want to remove, or just wait for 3 seconds. 3 2 1 and start topic, just click on it, and video will pop up here, or video will automatically play here. So upon successful, this module will be able to students just continue as it, and here is the video, and just continue, and then you will jump to a new video overview of data science. Just click on start topic, and here is a new video. Just wait for this. What is data science? Right now I think there is some problem in my Google Chrome, so that's why the video is not playing. So you don't worry about it, your video will be automatic play. As you can see, your module progress 20% complete. And the second website is one of my favorite, and you can say it's known as Audacity.com, or just click, you will get the link whenever you will click the link, and you will automatically appear here. You just have to sign up with your Google account, or any account using Google Plus, or Facebook, or LinkedIn, or whatever account you want to use. You can just simply sign up with that account, and just click on begin lesson, just click on start, and whenever you will click here, please help us to improve, or just close this, and here is the lesson. Before going, this is the introduction. Just click, you will just play this video. I don't want to play here, and just click here, and this is this introduction to data science, and what is data scientist, and here is the exercise. What does this is all the lectures or topics to become to know about data science. Just click back, and we will go back more, and here is lesson 1, and just the lesson 2 is here. Titanic survivor data, and lesson 3 is here. You can read or study all the courses. And the number 3 website is also my favorite website, one of my favorite website. So you can see ADXorg provide a free certificate also. If you say that I'm a student, I can't pay for so they will give you a free of cost certificate, so you can learn about it. So this is not so what I have to do is to click on this EDX, and right here explore new courses, and you have to log in here before you go to before you access the program. So or you have to sign up. Just click here data science, just right here data science, or you can also choose this introduction to data science for IBM, and Python basics for data science. Just click on this introduction to data science. You will also get a quick introduction to data science. Here you can see you have to enroll for this, and start and you can start from 26 July. Today is 26 July, and just click on enroll. There is only one session available, so you can just simply enroll in this program. So that's easy. Not here you can see optional upgrade available. If for example, if you want a certificate, you have to pay, and you have to pay the verified track. This course audit no certificate. Audit this, you have to click on this audit and no certificate, because we do not want a certificate from here. But if you will email them to have free certificate, they will give you sure. And here to start course, click here and the course will automatically start. And here the number 3 website is DataCam, and here you click here you can see introduction to data science in Python. If you don't know Python, they will teach you, don't worry about it. And here you can see getting started in Python, chapter 1, chapter 2, and then you will loading data in pandas, and they will teach you one by one or by chapters. And just click here and they will teach you. And let me show you chapter 1 or getting started with Python, and what they will teach you in Python. They will teach you in Python like dive into Python, that importing Python modules, correcting a broken import, creating variables, creating float, creating strings, and that's all. And you can also learn data science for free. And the number 5 website is Udemy, and here you can see this is a free course, introduction to data science using Python module 1 of 3. And here you just simply click on this enroll, or you have to log in or sign up for this. And before you have to sign up, just click on sign up and automatically this will sign up. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video for more. So that's all fine. Right now it's all, and please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.